Okay, we're going to start today by doing a couple of web quests. And what I want you to do is click on, once you're in the mitosis module, click on where it says virtual mitosis practice. So when you click on that, it's going to bring you here, and you just click and open the window. So what I want you to do, I want you to turn to page 63 in your textbook. And you're going to go through, and on page 63, you're going to basically, you need to draw out, because some of my boxes didn't go. There are 12 cells. So on that page 63, go ahead and draw out the 12 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically you just need 2 other rows, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to, on this part, on page 63, in each of the box, you're going to click on the cell, and you're going to click and identify what stage. So I'm going to start you with the first one. So the first one, if you look at that, that cell is in cytokinesis. And if you get that right, then what you're going to do is you're going to draw what that looks like, and then you're going to write cytokinesis telophase, okay? And then you're going to keep going, and you're going to do all 12 cells. So you click on it, and you identify it, okay? Now, let's say I look at this, and let's say I identify it wrong. Well, it's going to tell you that it's wrong, so just go back and click on it until you get it right. So this is on page 63. You're going to draw 2 more rows of boxes so that you have 12 boxes altogether, and then you're going to draw your cells and tell me what phase based on if you click the correct one here. All right, so then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go back and you're going to do the next virtual lab, which you'll say Open Mitosis Virtual Lab in a new window, okay? This is going to bring you to the online root tip. So I want you to flip to page 64. So on page 64, here is your cell right here that you're going to be identifying. So you're going to basically make tally marks on that little chart on page 64. So like for this one, if you look, the chromosomes are in the middle, so I'm going to click metaphase, and I'll put a tally mark on page 64 under the word metaphase. Notice a new cell comes up. When I click on this, this is interphase. Notice that it puts it in interphase. So I'm going to put a tally mark for interphase. I'm going to keep doing this until there's a total of, I think, 35 or 36 cells. That should be tallied on your paper. If you look at this one, let's say I label it wrong. Well, it's going to tell you to try again. So you're always going to be able to get the correct answer. You just need to choose the correct one. Keep trying. But the key here, guys, is making sure you know what you're doing. Okay, so that's how we're going to do these 2 virtual labs. So this is on page 63 and 64 in your book.